Are you curious about which AI tool is better for your needs? Today, we'll compare Abacus AI and Perplexity. Both tools help users with data analysis and AI driven insights. They aim to make complex information easier to understand and use. Let's start with Abacus AI. This platform focuses on automating machine learning tasks. It allows users to build models quickly without needing deep technical knowledge. Abacus AI is great for businesses that want to leverage data without hiring a whole team of data scientists. Now, let's look at Perplexity. This tool is designed for natural language processing. It helps users find answers to questions by analyzing large amounts of text. Perplexity is perfect for researchers and writers who need quick insight from various sources. So, what sets these two apart? Abacus AI is all about machine learning automation, while Perplexity specializes in understanding language. If you need to build predictive models, Abacus AI is your go to. If you are looking for answers from text, Perplexity is the better choice. When it comes to features, Abacus AI offers model training and deployment, making it user friendly for non experts. Perplexity provides advanced search capabilities and text analysis tools, making it ideal for content creators. In terms of pricing, Abacus AI has flexible plans based on usage, while Perplexity usually offers a subscription model. Both are accessible, but your choice will depend on your specific needs. In the end, if you want to automate machine learning, go for Abacus AI. If you need powerful text analysis, Perplexity is the way to go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.